Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the setting for recentering the map when you're out navigating on your Suunto Vertical watch. I've got the Suunto Vertical Solar. It shouldn't matter which version you've got, and this might not even be a setting that you're interested in. This is a setting me personally I don't use, but I wanted to do the video in case there's somebody out there who needs this feature or you're just curious to know that it's on the watch. So I'm going to go ahead. There's actually a couple of different ways we can get to this setting, but I'm going to go into my map and I'm going to simply click on the middle button. Now I'm using the buttons to keep my fingerprints off the screen. You could also use touchscreen for this. When we go into the map, there's my location right there in the middle, and you'll notice it's in the middle of the map. Now this is going to be hard to show you, but when you're out navigating, you're going to be moving. The map will continuously update and keep you in the center of the map, which is kind of standard. I would think that's how you would want to be viewing your map, but you can adjust how often it does that. While we're in our map, we're going to press the down button. That'll take us to our navigation options. Then we're going to go down until we get to navigation settings. We're going to simply press the middle button. Under navigation settings, again, we're going to go down, and you have a setting for map recenter. The default is 20 seconds. So as you're out navigating, every 20 seconds, it will update that map and put you back in the center of it, but you can press the middle button here and you can go in and you can adjust this. The lowest you can do is 5 seconds. The max that you can do is 60 seconds for the watch to automatically do it, or you can choose manual. If you choose manual, then you would have to be the one to click on it to tell the map to update and put you back in the middle. But that's where that setting is. Set it to whatever value you want to, and then you can return to your navigation. You could also press the middle button to go back. That's how you adjust the setting. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.